The configuration for JunoSync is fairly straightforward from the menu after installation, and if you need installation help, please refer to the section on installation, and that will get you to the point where we're at this point. Once you're installed, then you can come to the JunoSYNC Configuration tab, which will take you right here to where we're landed. You'll enter the Salesforce credentials, and that will be the username, password, and your Salesforce security token. And also the WSDL file should be copied to your server as well, again covered in the installation section. Also covered in the installation is getting the license ID from Juno Rocket and the API key. Then you will go through and establish your synchronization settings. You will probably want to enable synchronization since that's why you're using this product. Many people choose to auto product synchronize, though you may just leave it in the no position for testing, and once you're comfortable that everything is moving as you had hoped, you can switch it to auto. Where you want email notifications to be sent should trouble occur in the system or something fail to sync. If you'd like to be notified via email, this is where you'd put that email address. The prefix that will appear in that email, something like JunoSync perhaps, and that will be in the subject of the email line. If you are planning on using cron, again to automatically synchronize products between Magento and Salesforce, you would enable this along with the auto product synchronization. Again, if you're going to synchronize customer information, you'll want to choose that. And also, once you do choose that, you will get to choose how frequently. Most people like every 5 minutes. It's pretty good. And you would just do that here, a little /5, and a little /5. Perfect. So, you can also import on a cron schedule as well. And again, how frequently we're going to do that. Okay. At that point, you would hit Save Config, and then you would move on to the next stage, which is the price book. In this case, we are using the price book. This is the price book from the website. We only have one here. And what the unique identifier should be between the products in your Magento catalog and the products in your Salesforce catalog. Most people choose the product code, or you could choose the product name. And how many decimals you want the price to be accurate to. The default is 2. Customer configuration. What type of contact integration you want. The default is contact. The only option is contact. And the address integration. Most folks are using Juno Orders, though if you're not using Juno Orders and you're just using the Salesforce contact address, Juno SFCA. One of the two will be required in Salesforce, and you can get those both from the App Store in Salesforce. Lastly, sales configuration. You can enable order synchronization. You can sync the shopping cart if you so choose. You can also select what date you want to start synchronizing orders from. Maybe you want to go back a month. Maybe you only want to go back a week. Maybe you just want to start from today. We have order integration with the Juno Orders product. If you're not using Juno Orders, you could just use the order object in Salesforce. We also integrate with the Salesforce native opportunity. And lastly, we have integration with Accounting Seed in Salesforce. You will probably have tax items, shipping items, and discount items in in Magento, and you want to map those to these products in Salesforce, and that would be done here. So as long as the product in Salesforce has the word tax in it, it will appear in this dropdown. And that was the product that will map to tax items in the customer invoices. Same with shipping. If the shipping item in Salesforce has the word shipping in it, it will appear in this list, and this will map whatever shipping fees get charged as part of an order to that shipping item in Salesforce. And then discount is the same thing. Any discounts that are afforded customers at checkout will get mapped to any discount item that you've listed in Salesforce. Okay, we'll stop here on the configuration part, and we'll move on to the next session to cover products.